Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to install Windows 11 on external drive. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for latest updates. So guys, let's start. For this purpose you'll require Windows 11 ISO, and Rufus, and also one drive with minimum 32 GB is required for the purpose. Now, plug your drive, and open Rufus. Click on Show Advanced Drive Properties and check List USB Hard Drive option. Verify your drive, and drag Windows 11 ISO to Rufus window. Click on Image option, and select Windows to go from drop-down list. Rename the volume label if you want, and click on Start. Select the version of Windows you want to install, and after selecting, click on OK. Click on OK to confirm erasing of the drive. And soon, Windows 11 will be installed. And the process is finished. Close all, restart your PC, and boot to boot menu. From here, select your external drive, with UEFI prefix, and press Enter to boot. For more convenience, change the boot order, so that Windows 11 boots directly. Complete your Windows 11 setup. And here is Windows 11 desktop. And you can see here, only one drive appears, with rename. Let me show you the specs as well. Windows 11 has been installed successfully on external drive, and working fine. So, that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, for more update. Stay connected and have a great day.